This chart kind of explains the buy versus lease math behind buying or leasing Media Composer. So let's get that. Okay, so what I've shown here is if you're going to do the perpetual reinstatements that you own Media Composer, it's going to cost you $5.99 and then $3.99 a year. That's that top blue line on the graph. The orange line is if you go with the ultimate subscription upgrade, you're going to subscribe to it for $2.99. It's going to be $2.99 the next year. Then it's going to go up by $4.99 per year. So yeah, you're going to either way. You can end up spending a little bit over $2,000. I think it's worth getting 5 years of the ultimate tool set versus having the perpetual. Or one of the things I want to stress is you could just get regular Media Composer, the standard version, for $229. Now, what's so cool about the $229 version? Not everyone needs phrase find and script sync. Not everyone needs to be able to work with other people, collaborate. If you're an independent editor, Avid Media Composer for $229 is a fantastic deal. I think it's the best deal out there. If you think about it, if you edit 10 shows, 10 programs, 10 videos a year, you're spending 20 to $25 a video for the best tool set in the world. The only difference between the Ultimate and the standard one, besides those other extras Avid softwares, is whether you can collaborate in a Nexus environment or not. So if you're an independent editor working on your own, all you need is the $229 version. Great deal. If someday you get to the point where you get green lighted and you're putting on a production company, you're adding 3, 4, 5 people, upgrade to the Ultimate at that point when you buy your Nexus Pro from us. You can get some shared storage. But